Greetings everyone and welcome back. As those of you who follow me on Instagram already know, for the past year I've been working on a photographic project I call Human Shapes, where I take pictures of, shapes and geometries of human bodies. I've also posted a few shorts with some of the pictures here on YouTube that you can check out, partially because I got frustrated by Instagram and its censorship. They kept shadow banning my account basically every picture I posted. Nevertheless, I decided to have a few pictures printed to hang out in the studio and, here they are. So today we're gonna have a quick look at the couple options I chose for printing and we'll hang them in the studio. Let's take a closer look. The studio where I got them printed gave me two options, the classic photo paper and this UV printed panel. It's like a lightweight EVA foam core panel or something like that. And the results are visually different. The photo paper is what you would expect, although with some slightly greenish tones. But the results again are what you would expect. Shiny, deep blacks, very detailed. And that's exactly what you would expect. I'm happy how the pictures turned out. While the panel, it's a bit of an odd thing. As you can see, it is prone to print stains and such, and the color is not as rich and deep and three-dimensional as the normal photo print. If I move back and forth, you can also see the difference in sheen and texture. Obviously, the photo print is very smooth, while the panel print is rough and textured. This was achieved with the UV printing method, as I said, where the first printing head lays the color and it's immediately followed by a UV head that cures the color. But we've noticed something a bit interesting. Obviously, you can see here that a good portion of the picture is out of focus. The mouth is in focus and the rest of the body is out of focus, but the shoulder specifically, you can see how, kind of bloomy, kind of Gaussian blur is, and that's more pronounced than on the original picture. We don't know if that is because of the printing method, the color, or the medium on which it is printed, this kind of rougher texture of the panel. So I don't know if it's the ink diffusing in the grooves of the material or the printing resolution is a bit different or what, but yeah, we've noticed that difference. And also we have noticed that the UV printing on the panel is a bit more prone to scratches. You can see a couple here, you can see the blue in the under layer of black or something. Obviously these are black and white pictures, so there shouldn't be any blue, but yeah, it seems to be more prone to sketches and grease fingerprints remain on the panel more. And just to clarify, this on the panel is a test print, it's not the final product. We just wanted to see how this kind of picture would turn out on this specific medium and type of printing and method of printing. So the little scratches and imperfections are not a characteristic of this kind of printing. It's just that it didn't work for this specific picture and format. So needless to say, I do prefer the classic prints. Obviously, the panels are more practical in some ways. You don't need frames or anything, but they cost like 5 times more, and the results, personally, I'm not much of a fan of. As for the frames, I went with basically the cheapest frames I could find on Amazon. These are like 63 euros for a pack of 10. I leave the link in the description if I find it. But yeah, they're very cheap. They're sort of kind of wood and acrylic, which I actually prefer to glass. Yes, just the cheapest I could find. Oddly, the measures, the prints are 30 by 45 centimeters, so 2:3 ratio. But it's very hard to find the frames in this size because they're usually 30 by 40. So you would have to cut a bit on the top and the bottom of the pictures, which I don't want. But luckily I managed to find the correct size frame on Amazon. I didn't want the Passepartout, or however you call it in English, and I will have to do some hacking and modifying, probably put a piece of cardboard to fit the hole in the middle, because I don't want the edges or the defects of the back panel to show through the picture. So we'll try modifying that, but yeah, that's the idea. Good enough? Right, so this is the corridor that leads to the studio. Forgive the reverb, it's literally just a corridor. And I've hanged 3 pictures here. I'm not so sure about the white frame. I would have preferred them black, but the black ones were more expensive, so well, I'll make do with the white ones. But overall I'm pretty satisfied. Maybe they're a bit small. I was afraid of that. I thought they might be a bit small. So maybe in the future I will print them bigger, like 50-90, something like that. But overall, pretty satisfied. Well, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye!